Today we're going to be discussing Jamb level, work energy and power, and this is just the part one. So we're going to be discussing about work today and the type of questions you are going to be finding in Jamb. So work, as we know, is said to be done when force moves an object in the direction of that force. So we have some questions here, and this is the general formula for finding work done. But when work is done against gravity, like when something is thrown up or when something falls, work done, WD, it will be equal to mass multiplied by gravity multiplied by height. And we have a question which will be needing these formulas. It says, number one, find the work done, WD, when an object of mass 50 kg falls down from the floor of a lorry 3.5 meter high. Take G as 10 meter per second squared. And I've written out the things we need. So the mass is equal to 50 kg, height is equal to 3.5, gravity is equal to 10 meter per second squared. So work done, W, will be equal to 50 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 10, and 50 multiplied by 3.5 will be equals to 174 multiplied by 10. 174 multiplied by 10 will be equal to 1750 joules. Second question, which is most likely you will get in Jamb, we have, so for this one we have 1750 joules. For the second question, we have work done by the force of 100 Newton inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the object dragged horizontally to a distance of 8 meters. So here we have the diagram, and it says find the work done by the force of 100 Newton. This is the force of 100 Newton inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal. So, and the distance it was dragged was 8 meters. To find this kind of question, I've explained how to get the horizontal when you are dealing with force, the horizontal component and the vertical component in my other videos. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. So, but the formula we'll be needing for this kind of question will be G cos theta multiplied by H. So let's try it. First, it says the force, which is equal to this mg, is equal to 100 newtons, and then your angle, let's say theta, is equal to 60 degrees, and what else? Your height is equal to what? 8 meters. Now work done will be equal to mass, which we don't have, which we are going to be using force, will be equal to 100 newtons multiplied by cos 60 degrees multiplied by 8 meters. Now 60 degrees, cos 60 degrees will be equal to 0.5, 100 multiplied by 8. 100 multiplied by 0.5 will give you 50. 50 multiplied by 8 will give you 400, and then we'll have 400 joules. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.